Welcome to our guide on getting started with Microsoft Excel. Don't worry if you've never used Excel before. We'll show you how to use it step by step. Let's begin by opening Excel. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left, type Excel, and click to open it. Or, double-click the desktop shortcut if you have one. You can also use the search bar on your screen to find Excel. Once it appears, click to open. When Excel opens, you can choose to start with a blank workbook or use a template. Templates are pre-designed formats like invoices or schedules. For now, let's click blank workbook to start fresh. Now, let's look at the Excel interface. At the top, you'll see the ribbon. This is where all the tools are grouped by task. The Home tab is where you'll find the basics like copy, paste, and bold. Just above the ribbon is the Quick Access toolbar where you can add your most used tools like Save and Undo. A workbook is your entire Excel file, like a notebook. Inside, you'll find worksheets, which are like pages in that notebook. Worksheets are made up of rows and columns. Where they meet is called a cell. Each cell has an address, like A1 or B2, where you can type information. To create a new workbook, click File and select New. Then choose Blank Workbook to get started. Remember to save your work. To save, click File. Then Save As. Choose where you want to save your file. Name it and click Save. To save while working, just click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. To move around your worksheet, click on a cell with your mouse to select it. You can scroll using the scroll bars on the side or bottom, or use your mouse wheel to scroll down and up. You can also move faster with keyboard shortcuts. Use the arrow keys to move one cell at a time. Hold down, Ctrl and press an arrow key to jump to the edge of the worksheet. Ctrl plus Home moves you to the beginning of the row, and Ctrl plus End takes you to the last used cell. To select multiple cells, click and drag with the mouse, or hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to select a group of cells. If the worksheet is too big or too small, you can adjust the zoom. At the bottom right of the screen, you'll find the zoom slider. Slide it right to zoom in, or left to zoom out. This will make everything bigger or smaller. You can have multiple worksheets in a single workbook. To switch between them, click on the tabs at the bottom. If you have many worksheets, use the arrows next to the tabs to scroll through them. That's it for getting started with Excel. Today, we learned how to open Excel, create a new workbook, navigate the worksheet, and use some helpful keyboard shortcuts. Thanks for watching and happy working.